Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we have an exciting video for all the pool owners out there. If you want to learn how to connect a pool vacuum hose to the skimmer and keep your pool crystal clear, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the importance of the skimmer in your pool's filtration system. The skimmer is responsible for removing debris and leaves from the water's surface, ensuring that your pool stays clean and inviting. Connecting the pool vacuum hose to the skimmer will allow you to remove dirt and debris that sink to the bottom of the pool, keeping it in pristine condition. Here's what you'll need to connect the pool vacuum hose to the skimmer. A pool vacuum head, a telescopic pole, a vacuum hose, and a skimmer plater vacuum adapter. Make sure you have all these items ready before you start the process. Step 1. Attach the pool vacuum head to the telescopic pole. This will allow you to maneuver the vacuum head across the pool's floor. Step 2. Take one end of the vacuum hose and connect it to the vacuum head. Ensure that it's securely attached to avoid any leaks during the cleaning process. Step 3. Slowly lower the assembled vacuum head and pole into the pool, ensuring that the other end of the hose remains above the water level. This will prevent any air from entering the hose and interrupting the suction. Step 4. Locate the skimmer basket in your pool. It's usually located near the pool's edge. Remove the skimmer basket and place the skimmer plater vacuum adapter in its position. Step 5. Take the free end of the vacuum hose and connect it to the skimmer plater vacuum adapter. Make sure it's securely attached to create a tight seal. And there you have it. Your pool vacuum hose is now connected to the skimmer, and you're ready to start the cleaning process. Remember to move the vacuum head slowly and methodically across the pool's floor, covering every inch for a thorough cleaning. Once you're done, simply disconnect the hose from the skimmer plate, remove the vacuum head, and clean out the skimmer basket. It's that easy. Regularly cleaning your pool will ensure that it remains inviting and safe for everyone to enjoy. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to keep your pool in top-notch condition. That wraps up our video on how to connect a pool vacuum hose to the skimmer. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.